Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making some barbecue chicken with vegetables. We are going to be baking them first of all. So I have my ingredients here ready. I have one whole chicken. I have my vegetables here. I've already chopped them. I have onions, tomatoes, carrots, and my yellow bell pepper. Just get them ready. And then I have my spice rub here. So I have paprika, 1 tablespoon, coriander powder, 1 tablespoon, black pepper, half a teaspoon, and some salt to taste. I also have my ginger. I'll be adding it to my chicken, and some turmeric powder. I'll be adding it to my vegetables, and some oil as well, some oil. So we are going to start with our vegetables. To our vegetables, we are going to add in some salt. We are adding in some salt to our vegetables, and then some oil, a little bit of oil, and then we are going to add in our turmeric to our vegetables. So we're just going to give it a good mix. Bit of black pepper. So I'll be placing this first on my baking tray. So I'll set this aside. So I have my baking tray here. I have lined my baking tray with some aluminium foil. So I'm just going to place my vegetables there on top. Press them well. And now we're going to work on our chicken. We're just going to use the same bowl. So to our chicken here, our spice rub, I'm going to mix all of them together. So I'm going to mix this together. Wash your hands guys and sanitize. My hands are clean. So I'm just going to be rubbing my chicken with this spice rub. We are going to reserve some of this spice rub. We are going to be using it later. So I'll take 1 teaspoon, set it aside. We will use this spice rub later. So I'm going to start rubbing my chicken with the spice. So I'll place my chicken here in my bowl. And then my spices, the spice rub, I'm going to add it to the chicken inside. And then my crushed ginger, we'll add it inside as well. So now it's just giving it a good rub to ensure that your chicken is coated well with all of the spices. Wash your hands guys, my hands are clean. In the description you're going to get the recipe for these spices and their amount in detail, so just check down below. So ensure that your chicken is well coated with the spices. You can see it's well coated with the spices. Now I'm going to arrange this together with my vegetables. You need to preheat your oven when you're preparing your vegetables and your chicken. Preheat the oven to 240 degrees Celsius. We are going to be cooking them for 45 minutes. So I'm going to cook them for the first 15 minutes, turn them, check on them, and see if they are well cooked. So here we have our vegetables. I will add 1 tablespoon of oil to our chicken. 1 tablespoon of oil to our chicken. Mix it well. Okay, now we are going to place our chicken on our baking tray. Skin side up. Just arrange them on your tray. After 15 minutes, you will turn them so that they can cook on both sides. So I have all of my chicken in. Now we are going to put it in the oven and bake it for 45 minutes at a temperature of 240 degrees centigrade. So after baking our chicken for 30 minutes, now we are going to be making our sauce that we're going to be putting on top of our chicken. Then we bake it for another 10 minutes. So I have my ingredients here. I have some honey, I have some barbecue sauce, and I have my tomato ketchup, tomato sauce. So I'm going to be measuring my ketchup. I'm going to be measuring with this cup here. I will measure half a cup of this cup of ketchup. Set it in my pan. And then my barbecue sauce, I will measure 3/4 cup of my barbecue sauce. Three-quarter cup of my barbecue sauce. Also press it in. You need to have your heat low so you don't burn your sauces. We just want it to simmer for a while. So we have our sauce here. And then I'm going to be measuring 1 tablespoon of my honey. Just set it in, 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, so we're going to let it simmer, and then we are going to be coating it on our already baked chicken. So we're just going to let this simmer. So after a few minutes, our sauce is simmering now. So we're just going to keep on stirring it to mix all the ingredients together. I baked my chicken for the first 30 minutes, and the first 15 minutes I checked on it and I turned on the other side so that our chicken can be well cooked from both sides. And then I put it back for the rest of the other 15 minutes, and then I remove them so I can coat my chicken with this sauce that we're making, our barbecue sauce. So we don't want to overcook the sauce, just to get it warm, and we need to use low heat. So you need to check your sauce and taste it and adjust the flavors according to your preference. If you want it more sweet, add more honey. If you want it more tangy, you can add more barbecue sauce. So for my case, I'm adding some tomato sauce to just even out the taste. It was a bit too strong for me because of the barbecue sauce. So just adjust according to your preference and then remove, and then we're going to be putting this on our chicken. Adding our sauce onto our chicken, already cooked chicken, and bake it for another. So this is my sauce, just adding it to the chicken. If you can cut all the sides, please do, to get more flavor from this. So I'm just going to add it on top of my chicken, and then we are going to bake it again. 10 minutes and then remove, just for our sauce to ooze into the chicken. So I'm going to add it again on the chicken. Make sure you coat all sides, guys, of the chicken to get maximum